Hello and welcome to a lovely day in Wicklow. So today I'm going to be testing out a new piece of kit which involves the banjo pan. I've already set it up and I've already given it a little bit of a go. It's working so well in fact that this machine can't keep up with me. I've got a rock on the there now at the minute just to give it a bit of height. This is just a 1/4 inch screen. Below the 1/4 inch screen we then have this basin, has a hole of 19 millimeters. So what I'm going to do now is going to give you a quick shot of how this works. All I'm doing is I'm sucker chipping gravel into the top there. I haven't test panned or anything. I just simply want to test the equipment. That's really all I want to do today. If I find gold, happy days. But testing the equipment is all I want to do. I'll try not to put any big rocks in there. So each straw of the sucker tube is approximately 2 litres. You can see there where that's nice and full, and I can actually wet classify that. Put the rocks off to the side here. I'll run at this for a few minutes and then I'll change over to the other basin and we'll see which one works better. It's continuously flowing. I'll tell you what I'll do. Let's swap over the basins. 1, 2, 6, 12. Work away at this, and I'll see you in a few minutes when I've figured things out. Okay, we're going to clean out. Let's have a quick look, see how we're getting on. Let's have a go at this banjo fan. A lovely little thing. It weighs next to nothing. It has micro dream mat in here. So I'll do is we'll wash it all down into this little deck. Once I have it in the deck, then we can just pour it in. Same again. Okay, that's not a whole lot of dirt. Was it running too fast? Was there not enough water to material ratio? No idea. Let's have a look here. Any gold? Good bit of black sand, which is fine. And I've said it a gazillion times already. Black sand, ink gold. Nah, nothing of that. I think I need to find a way to prop that up. I actually brought a block of wood from home. Give it a go. Worst case scenario, it doesn't work. Best case scenario, it does work. Oh, anyone want to guess what I'm missing? I'm going to bypass the tub for a minute. Just try it directly with the classifier. I know I'm going to lose a little bit off to the side because the whole point of the tub is it goes straight into the banjo pan. But if this works, then what I can do is just get another tub and put a 32mm hole in it. Right, let's give this a go. That's too fast. Wow, yeah. That works, except for the fact that it's about 1154 million times too fast. I tell you, they're going to pop you back in the tripod. I'm going to try something different. I'm going to classify it wet in a pan, dump it in, and when that's full to the gills, then I'm going to swap it over. Like the Gold Magic 4000, I think this tub is going to have to be saturated with gravel before the gravel and water will mix. I'm going to pop you back in the tripod and we'll give that a shot. Bucket there. I'm going to put that in the red tub and work our way down. I think I might have to do a sample soon. This dirt is looking really tasty. Try the other one for a minute, see how we get on. haven't even sucker drawn and already you can see almost like blood red. Gently pull back, twist. Oh man, that's nice. And that's 2 and a whole lot in that. I know there's people could be watching this screaming, but you should have sampled first. To me today it wasn't about the gold. It was about getting out and testing out the equipment. Oh, very light material. That went down very quickly. Again, there's black sand there, which is to be expected, obviously, but no, nothing. Might as well wash it back into that hole, because the hole's being filled in a minute anyway. Again, this is going down very fast. Yeah, it's a little bit slower now at the bottom. Okay, so let's work this one back. That's a little bit heavier now, I like that. No gold now. Okay, that's grand. So that is the red one. This seems to have the majority of the material in it. That's a lot more work now to get that out. Let's have a quick look. We can talk all we want about it and how great it is. Let's see, did it catch any gold? And I didn't salt. I didn't put any gold in here because I also want to know if it's gold here or not. More black sand. Way more black sand than there was in the test pan and in the top bucket. Interesting. A lot more black sand. A lot heavier as well for the pan. Just trying to see is there anything resembling gold up here. Black sand, black sand, black sand. Whoa, hang on. I gotta get my lamp. I think I've got gold here. It'd be exciting if I actually found that system works. Connect 2 basins on top of each other, one with different holes, size holes in them, and then kind of a daft idea is that. Yes, we got gold! Yeah, unfortunately the refresh rate on the camera is set for 60 Hz. For some reason that light makes it strobe. Just gonna go over towards the light here, natural light, see if you can see that. Happy days, our first piece of gold in this spot. Right, now we're going to clean out the banjo pan and I'm going to clean it down really slowly. There's not a whole lot of material in here. Here's a bucket from earlier where I did a sample. I'm going to put this dirt into my big bucket there because I'll take that home. First things first, same as earlier on. You can just simply wash the mat first. So all we do is turn the mat upside down. Done. Nice and simple. That's a lot of concentrate, heavy material there. That's a boatload of black sand. So we know the setup is working, it's just not on the gold, simple as that. So what I'm going to do now is going to wrap it up here. I'm going to pop you in fast frame as I fill in this hole, reclimate the place, put it back the way I found it. I don't know why it works with putting the red bucket, the red basin and then the black basin on top first. No idea why, but yeah, it works, kinda, ish. I'll definitely try it on a different river on a different day that I know has more gold. Right, I'm going to pop you in fast frame for a few minutes as I do my reclamation. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video of testing out the Gold Magic 4000 version 9. Chances are to be version 10, 12 and 64 until such time that I get it right. One day I'll get it working. If you like this video, chances are you like the videos I previously posted and the ones that we post in the future. Don't forget the subscribe button. And sure, catch you next time. We can all go. I'm more shiny. Bye bye.